So let us start our science class. Everyone, please put your attendance. Everyone, please put your attendance. And here comes our. Okay, very nice. Now, please open your science book, page number 9. We were learning about myself, right? So first we introduced ourselves, then after we told something more about ourselves, and today we are going to give some more informations about ourselves. And today we are going to write down page number 9. Very good. Come on, Anushka. So let us start. And am I audible and visible to all of you clearly? Please confirm. Am I audible and visible to everyone clearly? Am I visible and audible to everyone clearly? Okay, very nice. Very nice. Come on. So on page number 9, everyone please put classwork date. Please put classwork date on page number 9. Here I am just putting the date over here. That is CW 13/4/21. I hope now you can see it. So this is your science class, and let us start. Written, everyone, classwork date. Classwork date. Now let us start with the first one. I am dash centimeter tall. So now here comes one activity. How tall you are. Okay, so you will do this activity with your parents, your mother or your father. You will tell them to measure your height, because if you would have come to school, there would have been a medical checkup of yours, health checkup of yours, and we would have come to know about your height and weight. But because you are not present physically before me, so I cannot help you with that part. Okay, beta? So all of you, please take help of your parents, father or mother, and tell them to measure your height. তোমার হাইটটা কত ওটা মেজার করতে বলবে মাকে বা বাবাকে, and then after you just write down the height over here. Okay, in inches and centimeter. In inches and centimeter. Okay, now let us go for the next one. So we cannot complete on our own this one, because the measurement has to be done. So everyone just measure it, and then after you write it. No one will leave the class just now. No one will leave the class just now. Devansh, sit down. এখন ক্লাস ছেড়ে কোথাও উঠবে না বাবা, পরে করবে ওগুলো. So next let us start. I weight, WEIGHT. One T is missing. Okay, so please write down T over there. I weight dash kg. So what is your weight? Just go through any of the prescription of your doctor. If recently you have gone to doctor, যদি ডক্টরের কাছে রিসেন্টলি গিয়ে থাকো, তাহলে ওখানে নিশ্চয়ই তোমার ওয়েটটা লেখা হবে. So this is also the part which you have to do. You have to measure the weight, your height, your weight. And if you know what is your weight, maybe it is 18 kg, maybe it is 17 kg, maybe it is 20 kg. Okay, so just write down the weight. Okay, for approximately, if your weight is here, T is missing. Here T is missing, so please write down T. Okay, T is missing. So for example, আমি এক্সাম্পলের জন্য লিখছি মেবি ইউ আর 16 কেজি ওকে সো উই উইল রাইট 16. Those who are 17 kg they will write 17. Those who are 18 kg they will write 18. Those who are 20, 21, whatever is your weight you can write here. Okay, that will give you the information about your body. Next comes the shoe size that fits my feet. The number of your shoe. তুমি কোন মাপের জুতো পরো? What is the size of your feet? Maybe it is 3, maybe it is 4, maybe it is 2. Okay, whatever is the size of your feet you will write over here that the shoe size that fits my feet is number 2. Like for the elders it is number 6, 7, 8, 9. For the juniors it is 2, 3, 4, something like that. So whatever size shoe you are wearing, school shoe or any type of palm shoe you are wearing, you just check out the number, what number shoe you are wearing, and write down the size of your feet. Okay, now let's go for the next one, that is my best friend is. So you have to write down the name of your best friend. So everyone write down the name of your best friend over here. Write down the name of your best friend over here. The my best friend is, write down the name over here. Whatever the name of your best friend, maybe it is Bintika, maybe it is Shritika, maybe it is Rita, Sita, Mita, or maybe it is Raj, Rahul. Whatever the name is, please write down. And Povitra, I didn't get it. What you have written? Maybe it's blank typing. So please beta concentrate during your classes. I like her or him because. Now you have to write down why that person is your best friend. আমরা তো বন্ধুত্ব করি অনেক কিছু ভালো লাগে বলে বন্ধুর মেবি তোমার বন্ধুর তোমার ওর খেলনা ভালো লাগে, মেবি ও যেরম করে কথা বলে সেটা ভালো লাগে, মেবি ও যেরম করে তোমাকে বোঝায় সেটা ভালো লাগে, মেবি ও তোমার সঙ্গে কোঅর্ডিনেট হয়ে চলে, তুমি যা বলো তাই শোনে, তাই জন্যে তাকে ভালো লাগে. Who is that? Povitra, please don't send emojis. Beta, please don't send emojis, it is restricted. Notice has been given from the school, please go through it. Emojis are not allowed during the classes. Emojis are not allowed during the classes. Please don't send any type of emojis. I would request Povitra's guardian to please take care of this part. Ma'am, one notice has been given from the school over the Skype. Please go through it. Emojis are not allowed. Please take care of this one. Now next part, I like him or her. If a boy it is him, and if a girl it is her. So what quality do you like? Okay, so we can write, come on, we can write I like her or him because. You have to give the reason. Because what you will write? Because if it is he, you will write he. If it is she, you will write she. Because he, I don't know, if you have written a name of a boy, you will use he. Those who have written the name of a boy, they will use he. And those who have written the name of a girl, they will use she. Okay. Okay, so here is a very simple reason where human beings can like each other, and the very simple reason is Maybe those who have written the name of a boy, they will write because he is very nice and sweet. And the girls who have written the name of a girl, they will write she is very nice and sweet. So you like that girl or a boy as your best friend. Okay, it's also a very good quality, that being nice and sweet. Behavior, we are talking about the behavior, okay, not the looks. Now the next one, I love rainbows because. So let's see who is going to give the answer of this question. I want the answer of this question from all my students. Come on, let's see. I'm waiting for the answer. You like, I love rainbow because. Type your answers in the chat box. Type your answers in the chat box. I love rainbow because. Anushka Mondol, please sit properly. Anushka Mondol, please sit properly. Be attentive in class, beta. Yes, very good girl. Very good girl. Sit properly. Now, I am waiting for the answers in the chat box. I love rainbow because. আমার rainbow দেখতে ভালো লাগে কেন? Come on. সবার একটা একটা reason থাকতে পারে. Come on, tell your parents why you like rainbow, and I would request all the parents to please type the answer for your wards. Okay, the first answer came from Sreshtha. A rainbow has many colors. Okay, that's very nice answer. Okay, Debargo is writing it is 7 colors. Okay, any more answers? Any more answers from any student? Come on, BMS champions. Let's start. Come on, come on, come on, fast. Only two. Only two. Okay, Asma, many colors. Asma has written many colors. Anyone more? Let's see who is going to answer it fast. Come on, students. Okay, only 7. Okay, Debans, what do you mean by 7? Here it is not asked that I love, how many colors are there in the rainbow. Here it has been asked, I love rainbow because. Ami rainbow bhalobashi keno. So reason. You have to give me the reason. Nivedita has given me the reason, because of many colors. It has many colors and very beautiful. Wow, very nice answer, Arjo, in full sentence. But your one punctuation problem is that is I will be capital starting of the letter sentence, and after beautiful there will be one full stop. Okay, so please take care of that one. Otherwise the answer is excellent. It has many colors and very beautiful. Any more answer? Arjo has given the very nice answer. Sreshta has given a very nice answer. Okay, Povitra, I'm not getting your answer, beta. There is no space. তোমার আনসার কিছু বোঝা যাচ্ছে না বাবা, একটু ওয়ার্ডটাকে ভেঙে ভেঙে স্পেস দিয়ে লেখো. A rainbow has many. Povitra, please write down the answer with the space, with the proper words. Okay, okay. Now Didi Priya, I didn't tell you to write the answer just now, beta. I asked the answer in the chat box. Let me see your answer, what you have written. I love rainbow because we have to give the answer in only one sentence. There is no need of 3 points. Didi Priya, there is no need of 3 points. Okay, so only one sentence will be enough, and 3 lines has been given. So let us write down the answer. I got very many answers and beautiful answers. Very good. So let us conclude the question in one small sentence. I love rainbow because I love rainbow because it looks beautiful with all 7 colors. So here comes, it looks beautiful with all 7 colors. That is the reason we all love rainbow. That is the reason we all love rainbow. So write down. Very good, Shrestha. I can see Shrestha is writing. Anushka, write down. Anushka, write down. I want the students to write on their own. Anushka will write on her own. Anushka, একটু নিজে নিজে লেখার চেষ্টা করো বেটা. Come on. Shrestha is writing. Excellent, Shrestha. Devansh, completed beta. Nivedita, completed. Anushka, can I see Anushka writing? I would request Anushka's parents to please show me Anushka writing. Come on, Anushka. Good, very good beta. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. Okay, very good, Devansh. Nivedita, complete beta. Excellent. Rest of the students, please turn on the cameras. Rest of the student, please turn on the camera. Very good, Shreshtanandi. Everyone, please turn on the camera. Very good, Shrestha. Shrestha has already sent the image to me that she has completed her work. Okay. Next is Brintika, already completed. Povitra, where is the image, beta? Okay. So I conclude my class over here. Students, please complete the task. If anyone has still not completed, go through the YouTube video. This recording will be uploaded over there and you will be getting your task over there. And very soon I am going to upload the assignment for all of you. So go through the e-portal assignment and complete the assignment over there and send it to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.